Hello, my friends. I am really excited about dinner tonight. We're having one of my favorite risottos ever. It's one of my favorites because it's so easy to cook. So I'll show you what I'm making here. And I would love to know if you're watching along live, then comment below and tell me that you're watching live. If you're catching the replay, then write replay down below in the comments. Right now, I've got some onions cooking. So I'll just see if, can you see that? Let's hope for the best and hope my phone doesn't fall into my pot. But I'm using the Pampered Chef Rockcrok. This is the Dutch oven. There's two sizes. There's also a smaller one, the everyday pan. But, oh, this is such a yummy recipe. And what I love about it is it's a no-stir risotto. So I'm not going to be sitting here stirring and stirring and stirring. All I've done is I put a tablespoon of butter and a chopped up medium onion. This actually isn't an onion. I think it's a shallot, a ginormous shallot. And that's just what I had in my pantry, so that's what we're using. But I'm going to add 3 cloves of garlic. And if you haven't seen this garlic press before, it's fantastic because it gets so much of the good stuff out of there. And I don't even peel the clove. So just comes right off. And these cloves of garlic are from our friends who have a garlic, well, their brother and sister-in-law have a garlic farm, Paper Boat Farms, and it's delicious, delicious garlic. I'm not sure if this is from their garlic farm or if this is from their own personal garden, but we love garlic in this house. So I've added, there's 2 cloves. I'm going to add 1 more. And then this is just stirring up in here. Got some butter, onion, garlic. It's smelling really good. And I also pre-rinsed the rice. So a lot of people don't realize how important it is to rinse your rice before you cook it. And not only does it help your rice become less starchy because it rinses out a lot of the rice, using warm water actually helps open up the grain and it just cooks better. So little tip for you, make sure you rinse your rice. And I usually just do it in our rice cooker, but if you're Filipino, you probably have a rice cooker. I rarely cook rice in anything other than a rice cooker, but because I'm doing a risotto, I actually rinsed it in the this is the small batter bowl, and it was fantastic for rinsing rice because it's got this little pour spout. So I rinsed it like 3 times, and then all the water came out and the rice stayed in, and it was a really positive experience. So I will be doing that again. So we've got, okay, the onions are doing great here. So now I'm just adding in my rinsed, uncooked rice. This is arborio rice. So it's like a short grain, thicker rice, which is perfect for risotto. But you could really use any sort of rice that you like. I also really like Calrose rice. It's a stickier, short grain rice. And so I'm just going to stir this up until the rice gets a little bit crispy. And then all you do is you add some broth, salt and pepper. I'll put the recipe down below in the comments. And you actually just put the lid on it and cook it in the microwave for 15 minutes. So that's what's so awesome about this pot is it goes everywhere. It goes on the stove, in the microwave. It can even go on your barbecue, goes in the oven. It's freezer safe, can go in the fridge. And it comes, you can also get like a slow cooker base. So this thing is just used so often in our house because you can brown your meat in it if you're making chili. And then you can finish it off on the slow cooker for the rest of your chili. Just kind of leave it there and then put the leftovers in the fridge, microwave it the next day, and you've got great leftovers, and it's just really convenient with less dishes. So that's what I love about it. So there we go. That's all there is to this easy no-stir risotto. So if you are watching along live, say hello below in the comments. And if you're catching the replay, once again, I'd love to hear replay in the comments. And if you're eating something delicious for dinner, whether it's leftovers, takeout, let me know because I love knowing what people eat. I'm just nosy like that. So I hope you're having a great day, and I will show you what the delicious risotto looks like after. But so simple, and what's so great about it is all of the different ways you can cook it. So there's lots of different add-ins you can have, and there are different options on the recipe. I'm probably going to be putting sun-dried tomatoes, and I don't know if we have spinach, but I'm just going to look through our pantry and fridge and see what we have and throw it all in together with some Parmesan cheese, and it'll be delicious. So there you have it. We're going to have that with some Greek chicken. And that's all for now. Talk to you later. Bye.